We are at daughter number one's roommate's mom's house. She has a lot of acreage and horses and donkeys and a lot of trees down. And all we're going to do is we're going to stack them up against the fence here and try to help her out. So here we go again. All right, I'm glad this one came up. Chunk some wood? Want to do something or want me? No matter. Alright. I want to take this one down here. No, you can do it. Hey, I'm going to take this one down. You want to chunk this down then?
What's that?
You want to chunk that down?
When you say chuck it down, chop, yeah.
I'll get this. How's it going?
It's not going like that.
Okay. Yep. You can actually take this one out and I'll just move it down.
Take this one out?
Yep. finished the last job of the day here. If you look closely, I don't know if you can see in the background, there are trees that are cut up against the house. And then way in the back, you can't see it from here, but there's some piles of wood and brush that we have put together in burn piles. With the 20 of us working, it only took like an hour. And then it was the end of the day, and we made it back to our command center and finished out the day. And by that time anyways, everyone was pretty exhausted after, oh gosh, 7-8 hours of straight cutting and clearing. So everything worked out well. I know the people on this farm, and we are going to stay in an Airbnb, and they're letting us stay there. They appreciated the help. My nephew and I are going to come out probably in the next month or two to assist and finish up those logs. I see she has some other trees down too, so we might try to take care of those. But anyways, that's where we are. Gonna get some rest. We're gonna go on to the second day tomorrow and see who else needs help and start cutting some more. So stay tuned for those videos. And day one complete, absolutely perfect ending, and we'll see you then. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.